Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be discussing the Ethereum chart, where we are right now seeing a very important breakthrough here on the 1 hourly time frame. As well, we will be going into the MACD here. Are we seeing some momentum shift swaps here on the 4 hourly time frame? As well, we will be discussing the daily time frame, where we are right now still trading on this very key level of support. And of course, we will be going into the bigger scheme to discuss if there are already some things that are right now playing out here that already happened before. And we will be discussing as well the accumulation zones that I will be looking out for to buy more Ethereum. And as well, guys, we'll be talking a little bit about the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, and we will be talking about Ethereum 2.0, that we are seeing, of course, only numbers rising, and of course the adoption rising as well in Ethereum 2.0, guys. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up these likes here, and if you haven't already, guys, make sure to as well subscribe to the channel, because we are doing this every single day here for you guys, and it will be, of course, very amazing if you're going to join the channel as well. So yeah, with this having been said, guys, let me go right away into the video. So what have we been seeing for Bitcoin and Ethereum? What have we been seeing for Ethereum? You can see over here, I want to be discussing the 1 hourly time frame right now. So yeah, we just opened a new 1 hourly candle with, of course, as well a breakthrough of this resistance target on the top side. So yeah, we have been creating a new resistance line here with several touch points, as you can see over here. And since, of course, finally closing this 1 hourly candle above it, this, of course, is signifying that we are seeing the breakthrough of this level. We have been as well forming this downward sloping support line, what have been flipping into resistance over here as well. And as well, you can be maybe approaching this one as an inverse head and shoulders, just like we were seeing with Bitcoin as well. So yeah, since seeing the inverse head and shoulders playing out here, and as well, of course, a retest on this level, you do expect the prices will be rising from off that touch. And of course, if you look into that level, you can be looking for a rise to potentially $2,145. And right now as well, to coming together with this potential breakthrough of maybe a symmetrical triangle from the support of upper sloping support line with also 3 touch points, or this, of course, falling wedge with also several touch points on this side, you can be looking for prices getting reached here towards the $2,200. So yeah, at least since seeing this breakthrough here, guys, it is looking pretty strong here, and we can be looking for higher prices getting reached here. Of course, if we're going to go towards this target, this is going to be an approximately 15% move towards the upside. And since right now breaking through this line over here, I do want to be feeling quite excited about Ethereum right now. And as well, if you're enabling the EMA ribbon here, guys, you can clearly see that we're, of course, having a very big struggle right now with breaking through the EMA ribbon as well here. But yeah, if we can as well break through the EMA ribbon, where we were getting rejected from several times there, it's going to be quite bullish as well for Ethereum. So looking forward towards it already. But since seeing the breakthrough already on the 1 hourly candle close on time of recording, this is looking quite good here. So as well, one of these reasons why I do feel quite excited about Ethereum is, first of all, I mean, the first reason to feel why I feel excited about Ethereum is, of course, Ethereum 2.0. The second reason about it is because I do think that Bitcoin is right now bottoming out here, and this will be having a lot of, this will be really helping Ethereum as well, and of course, providing you insane good buying opportunities. So what are we seeing in the MACD? What is the momentum currently telling us? So you can see over here, the momentum is quite interesting. So yeah, we have been forming a high over here, and since then we have been as well forming a higher high, what is right now resulting in an uptrend in the MACD. As well, we have been setting a higher low structure, what has been well as well helping us to form and of course to confirm this higher low structure as well. So yeah, it's clearly looking like the buyers are getting more strength in the market and the sellers are getting exhausted as well, coming together with a bullish crossover on the MACD. The 4 hourly momentum is definitely heading towards higher stages, and this is, of course, looking particularly good here. And for sure, I do think that these are definitely times that you can be, of course, quite bullish on the market, and this is definitely a time that markets can be shifting its momentum as well here. So yeah, I have been saying it several times, till Friday we want to be staying skeptical, because till Friday we have still the options expiration, and that can be still pushing down prices. But nevertheless, the MACD is looking pretty strong, what is going to potentially form us and help us to push prices even higher. So yeah, that looks quite good, and that looks quite interesting as well. So what are we seeing right now as well on the Ethereum compared to US dollar valuation, guys? So the Ethereum compared to US dollar valuation on daily candles is very important. I have been setting up this horizontal level over here, what have been providing, of course, 2 times resistance, and over here 2 times support. And since, of course, having the massive retracements from the beginning of May, you can see that we have been testing this level several times here. And right now, of course, yesterday we closed the daily candle above it once again, what is, of course, a quite bullish sign and a quite bullish signal. And right now on today's candle, we are finding support on the lower side of it. So yeah, it looks quite good here in my opinion. We are re-entering it, and this can be, of course, really resulting to higher prices once again getting reached here. I'm very curious if we can once again maybe break through the white line of resistance above us. What have been as well providing us massive amounts of support in the past. So yeah, it's going to be a quite exciting journey. But since closing the yesterday's daily candle above these $1,955, I do want to be feeling quite excited about Ethereum, and this can be really potentially towards higher prices getting reached here. Of course, if you know. Like you know here, we are clearly trading below the EMA ribbon here for the Ethereum price action on daily candles. This can be, of course, still providing us a lot of resistance if we are, of course, going to increase the valuation. But this is, of course, the thing that we want to be discussing later on here. As well, if I'm removing the EMA ribbon, guys, you can clearly see that the daily MACD is, of course, clearly in downtrend. Lower highs getting created here, lower lows getting created as well. So yeah, the daily MACD is still in a downtrend. I'm waiting for a reversal signal. If we can be taking out this previous high over here, this can be confirming a reversal signal here on the MACD for the Ethereum daily candles. But till we're not seeing that, I can't be extremely bullish on the daily candles. And as well, I just can't ignore the trend that we have been setting lower highs here, of course. And this is, of course, a pretty bearish driver. But then, once I'm zooming out even further, because yeah, you can be bullish or bearish on the daily, but once you're even zooming out further, and once I'm willing to look, of course, at the weekly time frame, guys, I'm once again seeing something very interesting. I've already discussed this in yesterday's Ethereum video, but of course, since I want to be really raising the awareness to you guys, I want to be saying it once again here. Because guys, if we're looking back to the previous cycle here in 2017, and you set off this, you set up this Fibonacci from the swing low towards swing high, you can see that Ethereum in this minor uptrend over here retraced to approximately the 0.618, as you can see over here. 0.618 was the massive support level, what really kickstarted this move towards the upside as well here. And of course, since touching that level, you also created a beautiful ascending triangle, and that was really helping us to push up the prices right away in a very rapid pace here. But yeah, basically, we retraced towards the 0.618 here before creating the real all-time high in 2017. So what have we been seeing as well for Ethereum here right now in 2021, guys? It's exactly the same. You set up this Fibonacci from the swing low here towards the swing high, and you can see that, of course, Ethereum has been retracing towards the $1,724 as retracement level, as, of course, a very, very strong support. And guys, you can't say that I have not been warning you guys, because literally we have been doing a stream here on the channel approximately two days ago where we were trading on $1,760, and I was saying to everyone that I set up my orders around the $1,724 because it's a massive accumulation level for me. And since then, already a 20% increasement in price came in here, approximately 20% increasement in price here. Right now, of course, the prices are soaring a little bit lower. But yeah, it's definitely very beautiful to see here, and I should definitely, truly anticipate this level, the $1,700 as main support, and I don't really see Ethereum trading below that level for sure. And yeah, personally, can we be seeing another touch of this level? It can always be happening, but is it likely to see another touch getting created here on the $1,700? It's very, very small that we are going to get another touch on this level, but for sure, I should highly suggest just already set up some buying orders. And I mean, yeah, it's pretty unfortunate if you miss the opportunity, but still, we're trading below the $2,000, and that is still pretty cheap in my opinion. So yeah, looking pretty strong here. And as well, if we're, of course, looking to the on-chain data, guys, if we're going to look to the Ethereum 2.0 things here, what we're right now having here in terms of on-chain data, guys, of course, Ethereum 2.0 is slowly but steadily getting implemented in the system. And we can see, of course, on these charts that there's, every single day there is more Ethereum value getting staked here. There's more number of Ethereum 2.0 deposits. There are more numbers of total validators. And as well, there are more, the phase 0 staking goals also coming higher and higher and higher. So I mean, Ethereum 2.0 really rolling out here, and as well the reason why I do feel very excited about Ethereum here is because, yeah, you just want to be, of course, feeling excited about it, and you just want to be bullish on it, because as well, guys, if we are looking to, of course, different on-chain metrics, like the 10K number of accounts with more than 10K Ethereum in their account, they're only increasing and increasing, and of course, they are right now in an all-time high here, what is, of course, signifying that, of course, the long-term holders and, of course, the whales in Ethereum are buying up more and more. And that is, of course, the reason why I do think that you want to be buying up your Ethereum. I mean, these whales that are holding more than 10k Ethereum in their wallets are not even selling, and you are selling around these levels. You have to know who you're selling against. And personally, I've been accumulating huge amounts of Ethereum because I have never been feeling so excited about Ethereum in many days here. So yeah, looking forward towards where this will be ending here, and I for sure think that we want to be on the right side, and the right side right now is of course accumulation. And yeah, these are basically my thoughts on Ethereum. So as well, last thing I want to be discussing here, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. Not a lot of interesting things playing out over here, to be honest. You can see over here, we have been seeing a minor bounce since yesterday. Maybe potentially we are forming this different symmetrical triangle or so, or this falling wedge type-ish, not symmetrical triangle, this falling wedge type-ish pattern. This can be for sure playing out here, but not one of my favorites here. I do think, we will be potentially still find some support on this lower side here. It would be lovely if we can see an increase towards these higher levels, because it will be signifying that Ethereum is going to increase some more in valuation. It's always lovely to see. Because I'm a huge bull, and of course I've been accumulating quite a lot of Ethereum recently. So very excited what we're right now having here. Will we be holding onto the line? Personally, I do think that we will be getting a minor bounce here if we're going to increase in valuation. Nothing all too special playing out right now here. I should highly suggest staying on the sidelines unless we're going to break through this resistance line on the top side. This is of course going to give me a very good signal for, like, okay, right now it's Ethereum that's going to really outperform Bitcoin, but at the moment that we're right now trading on, it looks to be that we are having weakness in the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, because we have been setting clearly a lower high with lower lows, and this of course currently what we are right now spotting here a downtrend. And as long as we're in downtrend, you should not be stepping in here unless we are seeing a reversal signal, what we have not been seeing yet here. So yeah, the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation not looking all too strong here, but still I'm looking to the on-chain data, and I look into the US dollar valuation. The opportunities that we are right now getting here are extremely high. So I'm still accumulating, even though that the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation is in downtrend. And we know as well, if we learn from the past, guys, we've been seeing several times downtrends getting started here on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation before really seeing this, spike getting created here. And I mean, guys, we're just getting started here. We are just in the first phase. This is literally where we are right now. We are in the first phase, and the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation is going to take way more spikes towards the upside. And just in general, crypto is just getting started. It will be stupid to stay on the sidelines right now here, guys. So yeah, this was the quick video on Ethereum, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I will be trying to release this video as soon as possible to give you guys the information on the 1 hourly chart. So guys, thank you so much for watching here. Don't forget to leave that like here, and of course let me know in the comment section what you think of Ethereum. Are you right now accumulating Ethereum, or are you right now selling Ethereum? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.